So I have a question. Is screen mirroring, does it only do it for like certain apps, or can you mirror like any app? Like for instance, could I download some obscure app like my SDR mobile, right, to remote control my ICOM 705? Would that screen mirror? I haven't tried that, but I'm assuming it would, right?
Bien, y pues de regreso a casita. Buenas tardes, Chabelo. Gracias, Jesús. Muy bien, vamos con la otra estación. Martín, X2 Bravo Sierra Tango, buena tarde, bienvenido al programa del día de hoy. ¿Qué tal tu día? ¿Cómo te encuentras?
Great copy, Jim. Kilo Papa 2 X-ray K7 KF. About 10 over 9 here, sounding quite good. And I believe it's Bill M50DX here, also about 5 and 9 here, maybe a skosh over. And Paul, yeah, this is a totally different microphone, and that I got on the ASU here, and I was having trouble with the ICOM one, so I switched over and got a ASU mic, and it seems to work a whole lot better there. Paul, go ahead.
I was giving it the RFI, but doggone it. You know what? I'm just going to check out. I've been trying to do 2 or 3 things at one time here, so... Anyway, go ahead, pick it up, Scotty, and direct it, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow if I can still talk. KK6R, see you.
Good night.
Good luck.
I'm doing fine. You up in Hesperia?
What's that?
Are you in Hesperia?
Oh yeah, you're still 20 over.
Yeah, you're 10 over on your 100 watts or 200 watts or whatever you got. You're probably running 200. You sound good.